Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Before I'm gonna start this video, I'm gonna say Merry Christmas to everyone and thank you again so much for all your support, guys. So into this video, I'm gonna show what I got for Christmas. Guys, this is not show off or anything. I just wanna share with you what I got. I love to watch in this kind of video. If you don't like to watch this kind of video, you can skip and watch my other vlogs or videos. So I'm gonna start now because so at least it's quick as possible. So let's get started. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you're notified to every time I upload a video, and also give me a big thumbs up in comment below sections. So let's get started now. So the only two things that I got for myself is this Cartier. As you know, I do have unboxing of this. If you haven't seen, I will leave the description link below or up here. So this is a Cartier Just and Glow ring. So that's I got for myself, and also this Picotin 18 bag from Hermes. I do also have unboxing of this. So this is what it looks like. This is the Rose Mexico color, and the handle is two-tone, guys, with roach decor, and that's underneath. So in a Kelly Palladium lock hardware, I think that's what it called for that. So let's put this, get this box so I can put here. I just put my bags. I don't want to put in the floor. So next is this Capture 2 Fun Snap. This is what it looks like, guys. This is in the box. This is actually this is the one. It's like a selfie stick or handle stick when you do filming. It's actually quite heavy, and this one, it's like they have face tracking of this and object tracking. So when I'm doing this, my hubby get me this one. So when I'm doing a try on haul, I just use this one. So at least I don't have to, you know, my husband not doing all the up and down for the filming, and just using this one. And this one is really strong. You have to upload this an app so you can use the face tracking. So next is this from Lush. Let's see. Get over here, guys. It's like a oh my god, that's pretty small. I mean, smells good, and I like the color pink. This is a bubble bath bomb. That's what it's called. That. So let's take the other one. This one, other one is a sleepy shower. From the time to time, guys, when I'm so tired, I always do a bathtub. So that's what it looks like. It really smells good in this. And the last for this Lush is this 6 Balm Bath Bomb. There you go, guys. I don't want to tear the bag, so at least just leave in there. So when I'm doing bath, just one at a time. So that's for the bath. And I got also, it's quite heavy. I got this also a Yankee candles. You know, I like Yankee candle, and this is really smells good. Like yeah, it's cherry. I like this kind of smell. Some of the Yankee candles I don't really like the smell, but this one is I like. So let's go on. This one is for my Secret Santa from work. So she got me this. Thank you, Secret Santa. This is on Starbucks, guys. It has a coffee and cocoa for you, and it has a mug as well. You know, I'm a coffee lover. I like to have mags. So also from my friend Jeanette, she got me this Belgian chocolate. She knows I like Belgian chocolate. I always get that one in TK Maxx. So that's really nice. And also she knows I like candles, so she got me this one. And this one, it's really nice to display for your house if after you finish this one. It's really nice. It smells good. Probably I will put my makeup brushes or other stuff in here, like a small lipstick. For this one, it's finished. That's a good one. And of course, you know, I got a surprise unboxing with this phone. My hubby got me this an early Christmas gift. This is iPhone 12 Pro, 256 gigabytes, and a color Pacific Blue. I cannot show it, guys, because I'm filming it. This is what it looks like. So thank you, hubby. And he got me this chopstick because he knows I love sushi or maki. So for this one, guys, it lit up. So they have blue and red. It's really nice. It's quite big. I don't think it will fit on my bag, but it's okay. It's still cute though. It's really nice this using when you're eating in. I don't think I will bring this in a restaurant and having this. Anyway, but thank you, baby. I love it. And Christina, my colleagues, get me this chocolate after 8. Thank you, Christina. It's probably dark chocolate. Yeah, I like dark chocolate. And I don't really like sweet stuff. And also from Cartier, the small items in here is a pen. Finally, I got this pen. This is the one I'm wanting from Cartier. Look at this, guys. I can put this one to my pocket agenda and bring this one on my bag because it's very thin and it's small pen. So, and it's also, this one's a good price. If you're looking for a small pen, go on to the Cartier. It's really nice. So next is this from my colleague Elona, and she got me this set, hand cream and body wash and nail polish. Thank you, Elona. This is such a nice. Yay. And also I have this Glam Glow. You know, I must love Xmas. Everything about Xmas is my favorite. So this is the Glam Glow firming treatment. Said I heard a good review of this product, so definitely want to use this one. And the next one is this Dior actually this is in a Christmas stocking. So he got me is this Dior Vernis nail polish. This one, guys, it's really nice, peach or orangey color. Let's see. Wow, it's just like a same like with Chanel. Irene told me that Dior nail polish is also good, so I'm glad that I have this. And also this one over here. Oh my god, my nail polish been peeled off when I opening the gift today. So he also got this blush on, like a peach coral Dior Rosy Glow. So that's what it looks like, guys. Just put aside. And also this diptych, I don't know how to say this, is a set in here, guys. Let me remove the set in here. So this one is a set like this, and this one is a perfume. It's really tiny soup. And this small candle base. It's very tiny, guys, and I just want to try this one because Madame MM style icon is she has this advent calendar, and then everything she's so for that advent calendar, it seems like smells good. Yeah, it does smells good, guys. And this one is, oh my god, I'm struggling to remove this. Shower oil. This is good because I have a dry skin, so definitely try that one. And this next is this hotel chocolate, and this one got me a classic champagne truffles. Sorry guys, I dropped that. I just wanna, this is what it looks like, guys. This tin I can use as well to store something, so I just don't want to eat right now because I just want to finish everything. This two here, and then I got a few chocolates in here. The other one is coconut cream milk. The other one is billionaire shortbread. And two here is amaretto, a shot of amaretto and cream. And then this Russell and Crunch. So I'm gonna have a sore throat because I have few chocolates in here. So the next one is this from Louis Vuitton. I do have unboxing as well. Before the lockdown, we went to Louis Vuitton to get early because, you know, before lockdown we have to get something because I thought we're gonna be locked down from till Christmas, but it's not. So I think some of you know that what it is. This is a perfume. This is the perfume, guys, and I finally can use this one. I wrapped this, I wrapped this one since I got this, and it's really smells, and you have my initial in there, Amy, and also I can refill this when this one is finished. I can refill. I think hopefully that change in another scent if I don't like that now. And the next from Louis Vuitton is this, you know, same with my book, is I do have same unboxing with this. This is a travel London book. You know, I'm collecting all these things. I really like collecting. I just put in a coffee table. So that's the one. The next one is this Chanel. I do have this. This is the set of I got a few items early Christmas for myself before online. So yeah, this is what it is. And you know, some of you know what it is. I just don't want to open it. I just want to show quickly. And of course the other one. This right here, guys, is this lip balm color. Also, I really like this. That what it looks like. And the other one is this oil control tissue. I just leave all this description below because this is I did you know, whole video for that. And I got a few items left in here. So the next one is just Julie got me this gin glass and miniature Beefeater blood orange, and it's really nice that she got this one with a glass. Thank you, Julie. And then my hubby also got me this perfume, Good Girl. I want to try the smells of this perfume because it's so cute. Look at it, how cute it is. If I like the scent, I will probably get the full size of this. It smells good. I love the details of the shoes. Look at this. I mean the shoes of this perfume. It's really nice. It's really nice to display this in your to have this on your collection. Oh, so nice. And also this another Yankee candle holder, guys. That's what it looks like. This is really small one. Oops. So this is really cute though. Just like that. I don't know if it's like that or top of it. I guess that's what it is. I'm not sure, guys. Let me see. Oh no, you have to put like the other one in there to tap. So this is 2 here. And the next one is this champagne in here. This 2 champagne in here. He always got this one Moet every year because he knows I love this champagne. This is Moet Chandon in pink. Probably gonna drink this later today, guys. Oopsie, just 3 things, so that's the one. And then he also got me this one because said if I just try this brand View Glee, I don't know how to pronounce that, guys. It's another champagne, this brand. And another 2 things that he got me is this MagSafe charger. So I will try this one as well. So this is just really cute charger, convenient. And also the last thing, guys, is this AirPod Pro. This is the one. And he put also the initial of my name, AMJ. So this is what it looks like. Let's see, guys. Oh my god, it's last night, I think, because we gave one in the midnight time. We give 1 item on a midnight. He gave me this first, so it's really nice. And there you go, guys. It's really cute. So finally I'm done. That's it for my what I got for Christmas this year, 2020. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye.